Adding a landlord. After you've added their property, you'll only need to add a landlord to Genie once. To do this, simply select New Landlord after you have finished completing the property details, and you will then be prompted to select whether they are a company or an individual. As an example, we will be setting up an individual landlord, but you will need the same information for a company. On the Enter New Landlord page, you will see boxes listed as Details, Address, Statement Address, Contact Info, and Bank Account. You will need to complete all of these information boxes to continue to the next stage. If you don't have the bank account information for a landlord, enter X in the boxes, and at the time of a new tenancy being set up, the services team will prompt you to add the bank details if you have not already done so. You will see that there is a UK resident tick box. If your landlord is not a UK resident, you must select No. Your landlord may have advised that they prefer the address that appears on their statement to be their accountant's office. If not, when filling out the statement's address, you may select the Same as Address button, and then Genie will automatically populate the address for you. Within the contact info box, you need to fill in the email address and make sure the landlord is happy to receive statements into this inbox. And you can also add a phone number by clicking Add Phone. However, a phone number is not essential. As you complete the bank account section, you may find your landlord has an international account. In these cases, you need to add the IBAN into the account number box and the BIC into the sort code box. Once these sections have all been completed, you can click Save, and then this is your property and primary landlord set up and complete. If you have a secondary landlord for the property, you can click Add in the bottom section and complete the same process as you did before. You can repeat this process for however many landlords are necessary. Once you arrive back at the property page, you can edit the landlord percentage split as appropriate.